dress. Let's go. Go. Nice. Mission for today. Kahanap ng prom. Go. Gusto ko lang sabihin, ang hirap maghanap ng gown. Hirap na ako maghanap. Kasi hindi naman may long gown. Cocktail kailangan ko. Pero ang ganda. Hinahanap na akong cocktail na dress. And I already have heels. Kailangan ko na lang is accessories like hair dress, earrings, necklace, and a bag. And we're eating lunch at Hong Kong Star. Ang napili ko is gold. Hindi nag-videoan, pero gold siya. Kaya gold din yung heels and gold lahat. Kasi may talaga ako sa gold. Yung bagay siya sa akin. Got sweet and sour. Dad got ramen. And ano ito? Or lunch. Simple lunch. Shopping is the best when you're with your parents. I bought new clothes because the heat index in San Jose is rising up again, and we're back at wearing civilian clothes, and I don't have school-friendly clothes anymore because I keep wearing like sleeveless. So, to the rescue. Hi, how do you feel? Nakasama mo? Tired. Okay, ayun niya ako kasama, bye. I'm here at Muji and Uptown Mall, EGC, and I bought quite a lot for senior high, guys. I'm getting ready. Oh, eh. Hi. Snob. Okay. Home. Ang barrels, ang daming pinamili. From the prom stuff. Not a lot. Ang obvious ko pinili ko. Yung pinaka-last kong binili ko siya sa BGC around Uptown Mall. And the ball pen and highlighters. Ayan. Ang dami talaga. To get ready with me. And this is the easy one. Till ano nila, Shine Balm something-ish. I bought like 2 crop tops lang. Yan. Gray and black. Uniqlo. Ito talaga. Bought pants. Ito yun. And I bought a Snoopy shirt. Bukas. Mula ko ng skirt, yung white skirt, and this oversized one. Parang gusto ko na siyang suotin bukas.
May libre po siyang half dozen na donuts. Ganyan katulad.
Sino ka? Nagagalaan ka pero nanood ka ng NBA.
Ayun, Taki. Pakalan natin sa inila. Diba pangalan? Wala ko sa mata. Ano ba?
Guys, mga tagaytay. Lamig.